I'm Manmeet
with the Meet Bros and हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं something nutty and something musical.
That's right, because we're going to perform at the Goa Cashew Festival Season 3, which is organized by Goa Forest Development Corporation.
It's happening on 26th of April in Goa, and you're going to explore the coolest fusion of fun, musty, musical to beat the heat.
मैं तेरा boyfriend, तू मेरी girlfriend, ओ मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना.
And beat this, it's absolutely free, passes are free, so all you got to do is just come and enjoy all the cashew based beverages, food, and of course Meet Bros ka music. Chittiyan kalaiyan ve, oh baby teri white kalaiyan ve.
You're my darling angel, baby. White Kalaya drives me crazy. Shiny eyes, glitter, glitter, glittery. You're the light that makes me go hazy.
Once again, 26th of April in Goa on DB Ground, Panaji. See you there.
Let's go Kaju crazy.
Easy,